Hey Stampers, it's Madeline from the Wonderland Paper Pumpkin has arrived and it's so exciting. This one is called You Are My Anchor. It's for April. So I wanted to have a little quick chat for 32nd Thursday with you. So I've been doing a Paper Pumpkin giveaway for every single month and it was working out. But this last month, it's unfortunate because my only contact that I have with you is through YouTube. So I need some kind of other way to get a hold of you because people aren't seeing that they've won, and then the 48 hours goes, and then it's sad because then they don't get the kit. So if you have any suggestions, I'd like to see them down below, but what I'm going to do is I still have the April 2018 Paper Pumpkin to give away, and I want to give it to someone. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to have it open for 1 week. So next 32nd Thursday, we are going to pull again. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. Comment down below and let me know that you've sent me a message. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and the bell. Comment down below and say that you've sent me a message. And then I want you to click over on either my Facebook page, the facebook.com/the Wonderland Stamper, or email me directly with my email down below and give me your email contact, because that's the only thing I can think of that's going to make it so that I can get in direct contact with the winner and give you that 48-hour time to get me your mailing address. That way you don't have to post your email publicly. If you're okay with that, that's really the best. So if you could put your email in the comment, that would be the best. But I totally understand if you want to keep that private. So like I said, either email me your email or go on my Facebook, facebook.com/the Wonderland Stamper, or the link below, and send me a message through my business page there. Okay, so these are the things you need to do in order to have a chance to win the April 2018 You Are My Anchor Paper Pumpkin Kit, which I'm telling you is stunning. I'm sure you've seen some spoilers. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell so that you have notifications of my videos coming up. Comment down below, say that you are sending me a message, and also any suggestions you have if this isn't the best way to do it. And then I want you to either email me with my email down below or go over my Facebook business page and send me a private message through there with your email. You can also let me know through that if you want to be on my email list or anything like that, but this is just for the prize drawing, and I'm going to do it like this from now on, just so I have a direct way to get in contact with you when you win the kit, so you actually have a chance to get it, because I know that through YouTube it's sometimes hard to see if you've won something. It's hard for me to tag you sometimes. I'm not sure how that works, but anyway. So this Stampin' Sunday, this Sunday for Stampin' Sunday, we are going to be diving into this Paper Pumpkin Kit, and I'm going to show you some alternatives that you can do with it, and we'll also be starting the drawing for the May Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I'm so excited for that. So make sure by hitting that red subscribe button and hitting the bell, you will get my alerts. So I have videos Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And I can't wait to see you there on Stampin' Sunday. So make sure to get your chance to win this April 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And for now, keep stamping, Stampers. Bye!